Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can report any problem on TikTok. Maybe you're having problem with not having views, or you're not having engagement on your TikTok videos, or maybe you can't edit your TikTok profile. Whatever problem it may be, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually report that problem, and TikTok will be able to rectify the problem and give you solutions and answers to the problem. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step that you have to take is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. So guys, once your TikTok app opens, the next step that you have to take towards reporting a problem on TikTok is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. So guys, the next step is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see there at the top. You tap on it. So guys, the next step now is to tap on the settings and privacy icon. You can see it there. Tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, all you have to do now is to scroll downwards. Then under the support and about section, you're going to see where it is written report a problem. So you tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. So guys, this is where you can actually report all the problems that you're having on TikTok. You can see over at the search icon, you can actually search for a problem. You can see the first option, which is quick access. If you're having problem with recovering your TikTok account, if you want to recover your TikTok account, all you have to do is to tap on it. You can see security alert, or maybe someone is trying to log into your TikTok account without your knowledge. You can tap on it, then they will show you the necessary step that you have to take. You can see the popular questions that people do ask. I want to make my account secure. You can, if you actually want to make your account secure, you can tap on it. You can see this phone number or email is already registered. If you want to register a new TikTok account and they are telling you that the phone number or the email you're about to use to open the new TikTok account is registered, then you can tap on it so you can resolve that problem. So guys, this is where you can actually report any problem you're actually having on TikTok. You can see here we have so many topics. Maybe you're having problem with your account and your profile, you can't edit it. All you have to do is to tap on the account and profile, then you report your problem over there. Or maybe you're having problem with your creator tools, or maybe you're having problem with your follow, likes and comments, or maybe you're having problem with your direct messages on TikTok, or maybe you can't go live on TikTok. You can see the options all there, or maybe you can't see your TikTok balance, or maybe you can't run ads on TikTok. These are several problems that you can actually report. Maybe you can't access your privacy and setting on TikTok, or maybe you're having crashing and lagging network when you're watching your TikTok videos. You can see there are so many problems here. So guys, you can see you can actually submit a report. Maybe you're having a problem, you can submit a report. Let's tap on it. That's the icon below, submit a report. Let's tap on it. So guys, this is where you can actually report any problem you're having on TikTok. Let's say for example, you can't view those, or you can't see those who are actually viewing your TikTok profile. All you have to do is to type in the report, like I can't see those who are viewing my TikTok profile. So guys, you can see you've imputed the problem you're having, or maybe your TikTok followers is reducing drastically. You can also impute it. You can write my TikTok followers is reducing. I don't know why. Please help. So guys, you can see this is how you can actually report any problem you're having. So guys, you can also take notice of here you can see the picture icon and the video icon. Maybe you notice that your TikTok followers is reducing. You can make a screenshot of your TikTok profile showing the fact that your TikTok followers has reduced. You can also make a video of your TikTok profile, or maybe your videos on TikTok aren't having views. You can make a video of it showing them that your views has reduced. Then you can come over here and tap on the picture icon or on the video icon to upload those screenshots you've made, or to upload those videos you've made of the report. So guys, you can see now it has directed us to our phone gallery. You can actually upload the screenshot. Let me choose an image and upload. You can see I've chosen one. Then you tap on OK at the top. You can see it's uploading it. You can see now the image has been uploaded. Let's say this is the screenshot of your TikTok profile showing that your TikTok followers is reducing. Your TikTok will be able to view this image. So guys, once you're done typing the problem you're having on TikTok and maybe uploading an image which is an evidence of that problem, you can tap on submit. So let me tap on submit. So guys, you can see it's submitting. So guys, you can see our report has been sent. You can see they just replied us, thank you for your feedback, we will contact you if more info is needed. So guys, this is how you actually report any problem you're having on TikTok. So guys, I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.